Alright, tech fanatics, buckle up. Today we're diving headfirst into the ultimate flagship showdown, the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Get ready to see which titan reigns supreme in the world of mobile tech. When it comes to screen real estate, Samsung and iPhone go big for maximum immersion, perfect for content creators and binge watchers. Pixel offers a slightly more manageable size, but all deliver expansive views for an epic experience. For sheer crispness, Samsung leads the pack, offering incredibly sharp details. But honestly, all three provide stunning, pixel-dense visuals, ensuring your content looks fantastic from every angle. All bring silky smooth 120Hz LTPO OLEDs. But for blinding brightness, iPhone takes the crown, making outdoor viewing a breeze. All offer robust protection. iPhone's dynamic island shines. Samsung boasts anti-reflective tech. Pixel adds ambient notifications. Under the hood, it's a 3nm battle. Google's Tensor G6 focuses on AI, while Snapdragon and Apple's A19 Pro push raw performance. Expect blistering speeds and efficiency from all. Samsung's octa-core setup aims for peak performance, but don't underestimate Apple's optimized hexa-core or Pixel's unique 7-core. All handle demanding tasks and multitasking with ease. For graphics, Samsung's Adreno 840 and Apple's 6-core GPU are absolute beasts for gaming and video editing. Pixel's PowerVR C series is strong, but the others are in a league of their own. Benchmarks tell a clear story. Samsung absolutely dominates, setting new records. Apple holds its own impressively, while Pixel provides a solid, smooth experience. For pure benchmark bragging rights, Samsung is king. This is where it gets spicy. Samsung's 200MP main sensor captures insane detail, paired with a versatile quad-camera system including dual telephotos. Pixel also brings a large main sensor and a powerful 5x periscope. iPhone, with its slightly larger main sensor and impressive 4x periscope, offers incredible image quality across its triple 48MP setup. All three offer robust ultra-wide lenses for those expansive shots. Samsung aims for raw pixel count, while Pixel and iPhone focus on sensor quality and computational photography. It's a tough call, but each offers a unique approach to mobile photography excellence. For video, iPhone is the pro's choice with ProRes, Dolby Vision, and spatial video. Samsung offers native 8K and high frame rates. Pixel provides solid 4K, even with cloud-upscaled 8K. Pixel leverages AI for stunning low-light and zoom enhance. Samsung's dedicated AI processor powers its adaptive pixel modes. iPhone introduces a variable optical zoom and a professional app with a dedicated control button. Incredible innovation all around. iPhone takes the lead with its high-res, multi-aspect ultra-wide and SL3D sensor for secure biometrics and depth. Pixel also offers an ultra-wide for group shots, while Samsung provides a solid wide lens with dual pixel PDF for sharp, quick selfies. All are great for vlogging and video calls. Pixel edges out with the largest battery capacity, suggesting potentially longer endurance. Samsung and iPhone also pack substantial cells, ensuring all-day power for even the heaviest users. You won't be constantly searching for an outlet. AI, satellite, and security are common. Samsung's S Pen and DeX are unique. Pixel emphasizes Gemini AI. Pixel offers accessible premium. Samsung and iPhone command higher costs for their top-tier features and ecosystems.